Class 12 students and dropper students find class 11th ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கும் மேம் class 11th. But what if I tell you, நம்ம complete class 11 topics எல்லாமே biologyல 30 daysல complete பண்ண முடியும். இப்போ 32 days also we don't have to take. Some of you can even finish it in 25-28 days. So in the video, I'm going to disclose how you can complete your syllabus very fast if you're starting from zero, and how you can cover your most difficult chapters with certain rules. So adanala in the video, please watch till the end of it, because trust me, you're going to be mind blown by the ways how you can cover your syllabus. Because in the time la nama syllabus completion vandu romba important, and adile most important enna class 11th la weightage chapters irukku. And the weightage chapters ellame cover பண்றதும் கொஞ்சம் demotivating ஆ இருக்கும், because if you're a class 12th or a dropper student, you might actually not feel like studying class 11. So அதனால தான் இந்த வீடியோல we are going to see in coming 32 days or 30 days how we can cover the entire class 11 syllabus. So let's directly get into the video kanna. This is the three most things that you have to important. First வந்து high yield focus. நம்ம entire preparationல நம்ம எப்பவுமே complete syllabus focus பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம weightage, high weightage, low weightage எல்லாமே ignore பண்ணக்கூடாது. 80-20 rule follow பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 80% of high weightage chapters வந்து first day complete பண்ணதுக்கு, அதுக்கப்புறம் 20% chapters you can keep pending. I've already made a video on which are the 20 most important chapters that you're not supposed to skip in biology, and the video வந்து please check it out. All the videos on the channel are so awesome, so அதனால make sure you check out all the videos. So Kanna, understand that all the chapters are not made with so high weightage. Now imagine you're starting your preparation and you're wasting Living World 2 hours. And the 2 hours வந்து if you invested on Animal Kingdom or Plant Kingdom, you can end up getting 20 marks. So அதனால weightage basisல chapter வந்து first complete பண்ணணும். So 80-20 rule. அதுக்கப்புறங்கன்னா active recall. Just by randomly reading NCERT நமக்கு வந்து class 11 syllabus crack பண்றது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம்தான். ஸோ அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, நம்ம என்சிஆர்டி ரீட் பண்ணும்போது வை, வாட், விச், எம்சிக்யூஸ், கிரியேட் யுவர் ஓன் எம்சிக்யூஸ். இப்போ மேம் இது வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான டாஸ்க்னா, தென் யூ ஹேவ் டாக்டர் கனவு பேட்ச். அந்த பேட்ச் வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஃப்ரீ ஃபார் வி நீட் தமிழ்நாடு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். whoever is watching this video for the first time, please understand, அந்த பேட்ச் வந்து லான்ச் ஆச்சு. Jan 5th it is starting. அந்த பேட்ச்ல நம்ம வந்து NCERT line by line I am going to do for biology, physics and chemistry also is going to be NCERT 360 based plus questions. So this active recalling you can do it in our class, because NCERT plus question practice is going to be there. அதுக்கப்புறம் structured revision. That means forgetting is a enemy when it comes to NEET preparation. You go and ask any topper, okay, you go and ask any topper, அவர் எல்லாருமே சொல்லுவாங்க I did best revision, because இப்போ இந்த டைம்ல நம்ம எதெல்லாம் we are completing, அதுக்கப்புறம் immediately we should do one thing, that is revision, because there is high chances that you forget, because the panic will get closer. So அதனால spaced revision, I have already told you about 1-3-7 rule. Day 1 whatever you're studying, you're going to revise it on day 3 or day 4, and whatever you finish revising in this 2 days, you're going to revise it in the end of the week. So end of the week, always keep some time dedicated for revision mattum. Don't focus on anything else, just focus on revision, because if you're studying, you're forgetting, studying, forgetting, இது வந்து ஒரு toxic cycle. So in the cycle, if you continue, then you can never become a doctor. So அதனால தான் whatever you have studied, அது first வந்து revision முடிச்சிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் மட்டும்தான் go for the next syllabus kanna. Okay, understood all of you? Next most thing students, when you're using, just use a single source right now, because நம்ம task வந்து completing the syllabus. So அதனால இப்போவே வந்து எல்லா multiple அந்த book, இந்த book, அது module, இது module வந்து don't focus, just focus on a single textbook, that is your NCERT textbook right now for completing the syllabus. அதுக்கப்புறங்கன்னா use an MCQ bank. MCQ bank னா என்ன? Where you're going to get a lot of questions. So you can use any previous year, நம்ம வேதாந்துல இருக்க 38 years old PYQ book, இல்லனா you also can take access of Ekalavya test series, இல்லனா YSAT exam is going to happen from Jan 4th. So இந்த exams use பண்ணி maximum MCQs வந்து solve பண்ண முடியும். Okay கண்ணா? So அதனால அந்த use of a single MCQ bank. Last வந்து notebooks, that is your, make sure that you're taking your short notes. So classல make sure that you're taking short notes. இல்லனா once the class gets over, I will give you short notes on the Telegram channel, that is We Need Tamil Nadu Telegram channel. So on the Telegram channel, after I finish the class, I will give you notes. So my notes will have NCERT line by line plus Gopika ma'am notes plus Gopika ma'am express plus question practice. So you don't have to write separate notes for biology. Short notes, when I'm telling you, please note it down, and when I tell that time, you please note it down in your NCERT. Okay. So நம்ம syllabus completion these are the only 3 tools that is required for all of you. NCERT textbook, MCQs and your note taking system. It can be digital notes, it can be your other handwritten notes. அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம எப்படி இந்த 4 weeks வந்து டிவைட் பண்ண போறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீக்ல நம்ம laying the foundation. Imagine you started from zero. You start with biological classification, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, one shot lectures are already there. And in Dr. Kanavu batch, I'm going to take all these classes once again as well. So அந்த டைம்ல ஃபாலோ பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, அதுக்கப்புறம் செகண்ட் வந்து நம்ம செல்ஸ், டெல் த யூனிட் ஆஃப் லைஃப், செல் டிவிஷன் அண்ட் செல் சைக்கிள், பயோமாலிகுல்ஸ், இந்த சாப்டர்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸ்ட்ரக்சரல் ஆர்கனைசேஷன். அதுக்கப்புறம் வரும்போது தான் நம்ம பிளான்ட் பிசியாலஜி அண்ட் அல்டிமேட்லி நம்ம ஹியூமன் பிசியாலஜி. ஸோ ஹியூமன் பிசியாலஜி ஐ ஹவ் டன் அ மெகா மேரத்தான். ஸோ ஹியூமன் பிசியாலஜி வெயிட்டேஜ் வந்து கம்மியாச்சு லாஸ்ட் இயர். பட் ஆனால் தட்ஸ் நாட் அ assurity that this year it will come very less. So here நம்ம human physiology இந்த syllabusல they have told one thing very specifically. Every disorders have to be studied thoroughly. So அதனால by the month of Feb and March I will be making separately ஒரு video on that is all the disorders. Okay, so அதனால don't take tension. This is how you have to focus on biology completion. First நம்ம first unit, அதுக்கப்புறம் second unit, அதுக்கப்புறம் third unit, அதுக்கப்புறம் fourth unit, mix and match பண்ண போறோம் because living world is not that important. So அதனால there you can put one more chapter. So like that, mix and match. Cell cycle and cell division, you don't have to invest a lot of hours. 2 hours is enough. So on the place la biomolecules more interest you can give. Plant growth and development, don't study now, study later because and the hormones ellame to keep memory of it, it is difficult. So adanaல that you keep it for later. So அந்த மாதிரி little cut, crop, paste அது மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு you can finish your entire syllabus in next coming 30 days. அதுக்கப்புறம் கண்ணா see here, living world, biological classification, plant kingdom, animal kingdom. On the 5th day, நம்ம revision day, where you will revise chapter 1 to chapter 4 and solve at least 100 MCQs from those chapters. So இந்த ஒரு pattern follow பண்ணிட்டு there will be no student who is going to not be able to complete any syllabus. Students, I'm telling for biology, Anna, use this for physics and chemistry as well. I'll also tell the physics and chemistry teacher also to make videos. But Anna, use the same thing. நம்ம first 4 chapters அப்புறம் on the day 5 நம்ம revision பண்ணோம். அந்த first 4 chapters வந்து revision பண்ணோம் using notes and அதுக்கப்புறம் 100 MCQs வந்து solve பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So அதுக்கப்புறம் எல்லாமே sort இருக்கும். Like everything will be set in your brain. You don't have to study it again. அதுக்கப்புறம் against கண்ணா cell the unit of life, biomolecules. So read NCERT thoroughly, make short notes and solve at least 70 to 80 MCQs. Okay, or 50 to 70 MCQs. அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம் day 24, day 25, day 26, day 27 locomotion, neural, chemical coordination. அதுக்கப்புறம் revision day on day 27 where you will revise all the human physiology chapters and solve at least 250 MCQs னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Why? Because 6 chapters க்கு 250 MCQs is good. Each chapter, even if you solve 40 MCQs also, it's very very good. So அது மாதிரி செட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் day 28, day 29, day 30 வந்து நீங்க வந்து first part test, then error analysis, then full test, error analysis, again part test, error analysis. Because part test எழுதும்போது என்ன benefit na, okay ma'am, I'm writing only part test for human physiology. You will understand, okay, this chapter I'm very very weak. Locomotion and movement இந்த டாபிக்ல எல்லாமே தப்பாதா I'm continuously writing. So அதனால அது வந்து I want to improve. Part testல you will be able to focus and improve. ஆனா full test வந்து அது மாதிரி கிடையாது. So full test you will not be able to focus exactly where you went wrong. You will just understand that okay, this is my weak area. ஆனா you will not have that eagle eye focus வந்து கிடையாது. கண்ணா, okay. So அதனால make sure that you're doing this timely. Use this for any subject. Doesn't matter. Right now I'm giving for biology. Do this for physics also. Use this for chemistry also. No problem at all. This will work miracles. Now ma'am, I do not have 60 days to complete the syllabus. I totally understand Kanna. I'm not telling you that 30 days வந்து biology மட்டும்தான் focus ஆயிருக்கணும். Biology will take 3 hours. Right. So on the time also incorporate physics and chemistry. Okay, incorporate physics and chemistry. And நம்ம Dr. Kanavu batch from Jan 5th every day 5 o'clock live is going to come. My lives on Wednesday will be 6 p.m. because எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு batch class இருக்கு. So அதனால my class will be at 6 p.m. all the teachers class will be at 5 p.m. So you can use daily live also to complete a chapter which will take you 4 hours. So you can watch it at 2x also later, no problem. But Anna, please complete your syllabus. Because if you don't complete syllabus now, how much ever revision we give you, how much ever question practice we give you, ellame useless ஆக போறோம். So அதனால please complete your syllabus. Okay. Now can I see here, this is the most important thing. Mistake notebook, because நம்ம biology ரொம்ப easy னு சொல்லிட்டு students are not even able to write 320 means then you're not going to be able to crack NEET. Because I'll tell you one truth, don't feel bad. I'll tell you one very very important truth Kanna. Students who in 2025 who got 340 or even 350 in biology are right now sitting in a medical college, even if their physics marks is 80 and chemistry marks is half. Trust me on that. Correct? No, because their cutoff will, their marks will reach up to 520 or 540. Still, they will be able to get into a government college. So, Adnala, I'm telling you, take biology as the weapon to utilize to get a medical college seat, because biology is easy and you can also score marks in it. So, on the 340, 350 marks when the confirm ஆயிருந்தா கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில ஒரு 100, 120 மேக்ஸ், பிசிக்ஸ்ல ஒரு 80, அதுக்கப்புறமும் you can get your medical college. So that is why I'm telling you, focus on scoring the highest mark for biology, because 350 if you get in biology, 120 you're already at 470, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு 80 marks வந்தா you're already crossing 550. So you will automatically be able to reach into the cutoff even if the paper is very very difficult. Understood? Biology paper வந்து they cannot make it extremely difficult, ஆனா they can make it lengthy. So we will prepare according to that. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன spaced revision schedule, I already told you. First 3 days, first day you study, third day you revise, seventh day again you revise. Last one, the mock test analysis. Please understand எதெல்லாம் conceptual gap இருக்கு, எதெல்லாம் silly mistake ஆயிருக்கு, எதெல்லாம் time pressureல வந்து தப்பா பண்ணிட்ட, அந்த mistake எல்லாமே note பண்ணிட்டு please keep fixing it. அதனால தான் நம்ம YSAT exam நடக்க போறோம், accelerated test series, Jan 4th, Jan 18th, okay, and you have all the Sundays that is coming, 4th, 8th and 11th. In the exam days la நீங்க வந்து accelerate பண்ண முடியும். That means what? First you write the exam, you're going to get AI powered analysis. அதுக்கப்புறம் you will analyze your mistake and then you will write the next test. Automatically your mark will improve. Then you will write the next test. Automatically your mark will improve. So write all the 3 tests and make sure you're improving your marks, because mock test analysis வந்து Ved is going to do for you. AI powered it is going to be. So அதனால you don't have to be worried. Okay. Now look here students. இப்போ நம்ம எப்படி இது எல்லாமே class 11th கிட்ட syllabus. Okay. Class 11 syllabus also is pending, ma'am. How to integrate? So you have to integrate with class 12. Like example, you have to link topics. Now biomolecules and molecular basis of inheritance is very linked. So on the topics on the, please link it. When you're studying biomolecules, little bit you study molecular basis of inheritance also. அந்த மாதிரி linking பண்ணிட்டு both the syllabus you have to complete. Okay. அதுக்கப்புறம் transition to full syllabus. That means what? Slowly you can move your NEET syllabus revision cycle combining class 11th and class 12th topic. It's up to you. What you feel very good at, do that. Okay, what you feel like, okay, I'm having the strong point in this, I'll do that. Like, இப்போ example வந்து morphology of flowering plants timeல simply just go through sexual reproduction in flowering plants. There's no harm in it. Correct or not? There's no harm in it. Then when you're doing molecular basis of inheritance, little bit look at biotechnology principles and processes. There's no problem in it. So அந்த மாதிரி mix and match. Okay, கொஞ்சம் mix and match பண்ணிக்கோங்க and automatically elevate your mock syllabus from class 11 to class 12. Slowly start writing part test also. This way you will be able to do. And students, this is the Dr. Kanavu batch. Those students who are not aware, please go and check on the channel. Sharp from Jan 5th, 5 o'clock onwards, class is going to start. In the class, NCERT 360 plus question practice will be there. And each classes are going to be 4 to 5 hours. The timings are like this, as you can see. Some days extra classes will be there at 10 a.m. not daily, but then there is plan for extra classes as well, so as to complete the syllabus in the coming next 2 months. Okay, so Jan and Feb month la main number focus. Already one round I have almost completed the syllabus, few chapters are only left. Ana next 2 months la nama full syllabus once again we will try to complete, so as a revision for all of you. And March April month la nama the maximum question practice we are going to do. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you're missing out on a lot. Let me tell you, you're going to miss out on the best quality classes. So make sure that you're subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with all your friends as well. Okay, Kana? And if you're thinking of getting a test series, ma'am, because I told you about the question bank. So then you have Ekalavya test series, Kana. Right now also the price is very, very affordable. We are giving for 999, we are giving the offline test. That is offline test la ennalla kedakkum. You can see here, open for 24 hours. This offline plus online test series will be available at 999. In the test series, you are going to get the OMR sheet. You're also going to get 3,600 MCQ question, 20 test papers. Okay, all the students have been loving our Ekalavya test series. So if you're a student who is having that 1,000 rupees pocket money and want to invest on something good, you can go for Ekalavya test series. Link in the description box la irukku. Okay, Kana? Now talking about the free exam for all of you. YSAT examination is happening on 4th, 11th and 18th. So இது வந்து score booster இருக்கும், AI powered actionable insight and test prep support, doubt solving இருக்கும். This is your accelerated test series. So you write it on 4th, get the analysis, அதுக்கப்புறம் write an improvement test on 11th, again write the test and get yourself improved on 18th. So இந்த மாதிரி இது follow பண்ணிட்டேன்னா you will be able to accelerate your marks. Okay, so this is what I wanted to come here and tell to all of you, that every single thing that you do today is going to impact you on May 3rd, 2026. Okay, in the year வந்து ரொம்ப precious ஆன year. So அதனால please I request you, don't think that, oh, I already completed the syllabus, who will watch this video? Don't consider like that. You will regret that, oh, I wish I started it today, when it, 1 week passed by, 1 month passed by. So make sure இன்னைக்கே வந்து start பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Don't ask any more question, can I crack NEET if I start now? Just start karna. And see here, the map is in your hand, the system is proven, the only variable left is your commitment. எல்லாமே செட் ஆச்சு, நீட் எக்ஸாமினேஷன் செட் ஆச்சு, அந்த கம்ப்ளீட் மேப் வந்து செட் ஆச்சு, சிலபஸ் செட் ஆச்சு. ஆனா அந்த மேப்ல எங்க போகணும்னு deviate where you should do, that depends on your commitment. Okay, trust the process, execute the plan day by day, and in next 30 days you will be able to pick up that big mountain of class 11 syllabus completely. Use this for physics, chemistry, biology, no problem. Anna, please just follow. Okay, I just want you to follow. Start from today, because we are not yet late. Okay, before it becomes late, start now. So thank you so much, Anna. If you're watching me for the first time, make sure to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Share the video with all your friends as well.